The only impossible journey is the one you never begun. Practice this for 7 days, you will win everything. Wake up before 5 a.m. It's hard to wake up early, but remember, winners begin early. The best way to make your dreams come true is wake up early. Let's say the person wakes up at 6:30 to 7 a.m. every day, and you have 728 hours extra in a year, which means you have exactly extra 1 month in a year. Stop comparing yourself with others because you are the best in your own way. So start saying, I am the best every morning and see the changes. I can do it. If you have a dream of becoming a millionaire in next 5 years, you are going to have two inner voices in your head. The first voice will try to convey that you can't do it. The first voice will try to convey that you are not qualified. The first voice will try to convey that you don't have the investment. The first voice will try to convey that or you don't look good enough. However, the other voice, which says that you have what it takes to be a millionaire, is the one you should listen to. The latter one might be small, but you need to grab that voice. Just remember you that you can do anything. You set your mind to, but it takes action, perseverance, and facing your fear. God is always with me. Our God can do anything. You do what you can, God will do what you can't. Have you ever have the courage to tell these words to yourself? You do what you can, God will do what you can't. Your friends laugh at your dreams. Your parents does not believe in your dreams. Guess the person. Well, that is God. God is always there to hold us. All we need to do is to reach out our hands. When you are tempted to lose patience with someone, think how patient God has been with you all time. I am not alone. God is always with me. I am a winner. Have an attitude like this. Wherever I will go, I will be a winner. Winning is in my blood. I was born to be a winner and die as a champion. Losing is not an option in my life. Today is my day. No matter what may have happened yesterday, a new day of fresh possibility has dawned. No matter what may have happened yesterday, a new day of fresh possibility has dawned. You are not the same person today as you were yesterday. Stop dwelling on the past and concentrate on your future because your future is going to be beautiful. You have not seen the best days of your life yet. Wake up, smile, and tell yourself, today is my day.